To translate your FitPA dashboard into another language, start by right-clicking anywhere on the page. From the drop-down menu, select the Translate option. A Google Translate window will appear in the top right corner of your browser. Click on the 3 vertical dots to open the Options menu. Then select Choose another language. Click the drop-down list to see the available options. In this example, we are using Spanish, but you can select any language supported by Google Translate. Once you have selected your preferred language, simply click the blue Translate button. Your dashboard will instantly refresh, displaying all of your performance analytics in your chosen language. Also, keep in mind that you do not need to translate the page to interact with your coach in your preferred language. If you type a message in any language, for example, Swedish, your coach will automatically understand and reply to you in that exact same language.